Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Eva Evrine. I'm back again with another video on nail care or nail pedicure. Oh, that's mean a new nail polish. So I'll be removing the old nail polish, then removing the cuticles, cleaning the nails, and applying a new set of nail polish. So stay tuned and subscribe if you have not subscribed. And now let's start the video. Yay! So the first thing that we are going to do is I will be using nail cuticle remover, a drill, cuticle pusher, a nail cutter. My files are there, my buffers, cuticle removers. I have my moisturizers there, and a laser blade. So I'll start by removing the old polish. Like I told you before, I'm trying not to use acetone on my nails to remove the nail polish. So I'm using the drill just to file over the old polish, like you can see me doing. Please, before you use a drill, please make sure that you are able to use it, or you have learned on how to use it. So that is what I'm using. Okay, I don't think it can harm, but it can tickle, and if you put it on your skin, it can harm your skin like a little bit. Yes, so we remove the old nail polish that we had. This nail polish has overstayed. Oh Jesus, who am I? Anyway, we'll remove it. So just make sure that you are gentle and you are holding the drill the way it's supposed to be held. Is there anything like hold it? I don't know. Well, yeah, just ensure that you hold the drill the way it is supposed to be hold. The way it the way it is and then after that I'm going to use my file just to shape the nails and remove any nail polish that may have remained. So shaping the nails, and especially the corner parts of the nails, just to ensure that the nails are not getting into the skin, and just to get a good shape so that the nails can look good after I have applied the nail polish. That is the goal. So we are going to do these to each and every nail. Make sure that you are using a very sharp file. Sharp by I mean that the teeth of the file are still new, so that it doesn't give you a headache. So I'll be doing this to both my legs. Please guys, I've done so many videos on how to do foot care, pedicure types of foot. So please just check out my YouTube channel. I know you are going to love it, and make sure that you subscribe. Then after that, I'm going to soak my legs for some few minutes, just some like few minutes, like 5 minutes. Then after that, I'm going to use the cuticle gel. I'm going to use my pedicure toothbrush, but it is for pedicure. So should I call it pedicure blush? I don't know, but I think so. Yeah, so I just apply that. I'll put the gel on my hand, and then I'll be picking it with my pedicure brush, and just applying on the nails. So I want to apply it around the nails, so it will enhance in the removal of the cuticles. Then after applying, I soak the legs for some few more 5 minutes, so to soften the dead skin around the nails and the cuticles. So we are not applying so much, but it's going to help. Then soak for some few minutes. Then I'm going to use my cuticle pusher and use the side with which is the bigger side compared to the other side, which is very sharp. So to push the cuticles. Remember, at this moment they have softened, and therefore pushing them or removing them becomes so easy. The whitish thing that you can see me putting on my toes or on my leg, like that. Can you see those things that look like that looks whitish? Those are the dead skins and the cuticles in general. So we just remove them. This small toenail, it really gets a lot of cuticles, and therefore it's good to always take care of it. It looks like I'm drilling, but I'm safe, I'm good. If you're using this equipment, please make sure that you are using them very carefully so that you don't harm your cuticles. Remember, if you hurt your cuticles, it means that you're going to get infections around your cuticles. And guys, if you have met someone with infections around the nails, you will know that it is not something that you can play to your worst enemy. So please make sure that you are holding the equipment that you're using on your nails so well. At the same time, make sure that you're taking care of your nails like so well, so that you don't get any infection. So that means taking care of your cuticles and not harming them, like don't harm the area around your cuticle on the nails, that is the toenails, even the fingernails, please. Yeah, so just after I've pushed the cuticles and removed the dirt, I'm going to use my cuticle remover using the sharp part. I was trying to remove it because I feel like it's so big, like, yeah, I just wanted to be left with the black part and not the file part. The other part, apart from the sharp edge, the other part contains a file which I don't use normally. So after that, I remove. Now I cut the cuticle that could not be able to be pushed when I was pushing the cuticles using the cuticle pusher. So I just cut them. As I had said, please make sure that you are able to use this equipment, because this area around the cuticles of your nails is very, very sensitive, and if you harm yourself, bleeding will occur. At the same time, it means that you might get infections, because if you have a wound around that area, it means that you might get infections, which I've said it's not a very good experience. Yeah, so guys, the whitish thing, you can see even after pushing, it means that they were not able to come out, all of them. So that is what I'm cutting using the cuticle remover. The whitish thing, you can see them. Yeah, that is what I'm removing. So guys, my channel is I'm so passionate about foot care, foot pedicure, manicure, fingernails care, all the hands care and all that, and beauty in general. So please check out my YouTube channel and make sure that you support my channel by subscribing. For those of you who have already subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. I really appreciate, like, thank you. I wish I could hug you wherever you are, but hug yourself for me. And yeah, thank you so much. I'm still aiming to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of, in 2 months time from now. That is maybe in August, July, by the end of September. Then after that, guys, I'm going to use my buffer just to smoothen my nails. Remember, I have filed them. Then after that, I'm going to reapply my cuticle gel, this time round, to clean the nails, because like, I'm done doing the removing the cuticles, removing the dead skin. Now I clean to ensure that I get that. So the blush will really helps in removing that has already that is already in between the spaces between the nails. That is what I mean. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, I hope so. So before that, I decided to push the cuticles a little more, because I just noticed that I had some more cuticles which are remaining. So I just decided to push them just before cleaning them. So these are final touches. This step is not very necessary, but if you are a perfectionist and you want your nails to look good, you can still do it. So it is still important. Yeah, so pushing the cuticles and removing that, the sharper part of the cuticle pusher really helps in getting out that. Like you can see, I have some dirt there, the blackish one, which I don't want to get out. So I decided to cut the nail at that part. The nail was left shapeless, but we move. Next time it will be looking good. Yeah, but we had to remove that thing. It was not looking good. It was not giving. Yeah, so Guys, how many times do you take care of your nails? How long do you take to remove your nail polish? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be really happy to know if I'm the only one who gets irritated by old nail polish after a month, like, or even 3 weeks. Yeah, then after that I soak for some few minutes and now clean the nails using the brush. It's looking like it has foam because of the gel, the cuticle gel. That is why it is looking like it has foam. Final touches using my hands. Then dry even in between my toes. Then after that I apply my gel polish, that is the base coat. I apply it. Then after that I'm going to use, I wanted to do some a gel polish that is white in color, but I didn't have white in color, so I decided to use this greenish. It's looking greenish, but it is very conspicuous. Then after that I moisturize. I'm using lanolin. Lanolin helps in curing the cuticles, so that is what I'm applying on the toenails. It might not look all good, but this is the final result and I love it. Thank you guys for being here. I really appreciate. Remember to subscribe. Bye bye.